I think that there are a lot of folks in this country who anticipated what RFK Jr. was going to say. A lot of people suspected it, but now we have some data attached to it. Your thoughts?
Well, we have CDC data, and this is striking. So attention deficit hyperactivity disorder, ADHD, now 11.4% of all American children. Autism, 3.2% of American children. In certain areas, this is mind-boggling. California, little boys, the rate of autism, 12.5%. And these are year-on-year jumps now. It's going up asymptotically. It just cannot be due to increased detection or genetic drift. Kennedy is saying, listen, there's something going on and we need investigation. We need it now.
Yeah. There was a study, I think it was a decade ago now, we had the whistleblower on the show not that long ago, that raised some questions about whether the science was hijacked in an earlier study about whether there was a signal between vaccines and autism. Tell us about that, and should that be a big part of this review that Robert F. Kennedy Jr. has started?
Well, I can tell you as a medical doctor and an epidemiologist, complex syndromes like ADHD, autism, seizures, tics, these are complex syndromes. They don't have single factors, exclusive causes, if you will. They're always multifactorial. You know, the very first case of autism was described in the mid-15th century. So it's kind of long before any of the stuff that we're thinking about is going on, but it's clearly accelerating. So risk factors is the best way to think about it. Risk factors for autism include parents at an older age conceiving children, women over 35, men over 40, premature delivery before 37 weeks, what's called common genetic variants, not things that are inherited through families. And then environmental exposures. The biggest one that's being investigated is combination vaccines. So it's probably not any single shot, but when they're given all together, the child gets very sick. Occasionally there's a febrile seizure. And for sure, when there's a febrile seizure, data from Europe show about a 40% conversion rate to autism. So I think you're going to see the lens really start to narrow down on these triggers.